Hello, I'm Freda. Recently, our company's new Seagull 3 design has been widely loved by our customers. With a design that caters to the aesthetics of the mainstream market. Today we bring you a comparative presentation of the cleaning effects of two different MJ machines. This is our Seagull 3 500 watts machine. Here I would like to introduce you again to some details of the design of our Seagull 3. 1. Large size wheels, built-in spring damping, reduce vibration and shock to ensure the stability of mobile operations, to extend the service life of the machine. The use of double wheels, reduce the turning radius, can be more flexible through the narrower road. 2. The screen using acrylic plate protection. It can protect the control screen and dust, more friendly to outdoor work. 3. Cabinet cooling standards is same as laser source cooling holes. Circle cooling holes to increase the cooling area. 4. The handle has two kinds of carrying methods, can be adjusted according to different scenes. 5. The whole frame structure is stability, can effectively withstand external loads and vibration. To ensure the protection and stability of the equipment, we focus on improving customer experience. We will be based on market feedback and constantly update our products to cater for different customer use scenarios. Here I will show you the 500 watts 1.5 megajoules machine. 500 watts 1.5 megajoules is a single-mode laser. Single-mode laser has high light intensity and concentrated energy, which is suitable for cleaning oxidation layer, stubborn rust, weld cleaning, graffiti and other strong adhesion pollutants. Please see the machine effect. Now, I will show you the 500 watts 15mj machine. 500 watts 15 megajoules is a multi-mode laser. Multi-mode laser light is softer. Average energy. Cleaning the surface can be done without damage. Suitable for cleaning thicker paint, oil, antiques, and so on. Suitable for application in the automotive industry, heritage restoration, new energy companies, mold cleaning and other industries. Nowadays, pulsed laser cleaning is gradually becoming the first choice of industrial companies due to its high-quality cleaning effect and high efficiency. The advantages of non-contact precision cleaning and zero chemical contamination have won strong recognition from customers. If you have cleaning business needs, please click below to contact us. Our sales manager will be based on different cleaning needs and recommend the most suitable machine for you.